So you're looking to order Tadalafil, and you want to know if it's for you and if you can make the best of the medication. You're in the right place. We're going to answer all of that today. For clarity, Tadalafil is commonly used to treat erectile dysfunction. It works by relaxing blood vessels and then allowing blood flow to certain parts of the body where you might need it. It's important to know what you should avoid before taking Tadalafil. You shouldn't take it with nitrates. These are usually prescribed when you have some kind of chest pain, as this combination can cause a dangerous drop in your blood pressure. It's also important to avoid other ED medications while you're taking Tadalafil, unless you've been advised otherwise by your doctor. Grapefruit and grapefruit juice can also interfere with Tadalafil, so it's best avoided when taking the medication. Now let's talk about how to take Tadalafil. Somewhat obviously, it should be taken exactly as prescribed by your doctor. For ED, it can be used when necessary or once daily. If you're taking it for PAH or an enlarged prostate, you'll likely also take one a day. The amount of Tadalafil that you take depends entirely on what you're trying to treat. For ED, the typical dose is 10 milligrams just before any sexual activity. It can be adjusted to 20 milligrams or down to 5 depending on efficacy. Tadalafil usually takes about 30 minutes to get going when you're taking it for ED, and its effects will last on average around 36 hours. This doesn't mean you'll have an erection for 36 hours straight, but the ability to achieve said erection is much greater. For those taking a 20 milligram dose, you might be wondering how long it actually lasts. As mentioned before, your dosage is based entirely on its efficacy and your tolerance to the medication. So if prescribed correctly, it should still last around 36 hours. But how long should the drug remain in your system? Tadalafil has a half-life of about 17.5 hours. It will then take 2 to 3 days to be totally eliminated from your body. As ever, if you have any questions, our pharmacists are on hand to help you out and make sure you're prescribed exactly what you need.